Theokhronos, God of time. Events require the existence of time. He who controls time controls everything. There is nothing not controlled by time, both in heaven as in earth. If there are not events in eternity, then everything would happen at once, or things would not happen at all. Time requires a progression. Part of the reason for this four-part presentation is to answer these questions. Physical time is a distance. When it is reduced to 1, a value of 1, it gains this value. Why is it? A clock second reduced to 1 becomes this value. And Planck's constant and energy value becomes this value. Each of these three now have the singular value of h equals 1. This value, h equals 1, has become time without energy and energy without time. What does that mean? Part 1 of a four-part section. Theokhronos, copyrighted 2009 by D. In searching for the reason why gravity exists, my interests have passed along many avenues. I've had an interest in why mass exists and moves, why magnetism exists, what the energy values of the interior of our sun and its planets are, what the source for the force of gravity and or time is, and why it exists in other things. The conclusion at the end of this excursion is that physical time controls everything. Whether in our world or the world to come, all forms of existence are formed of physical time. Time has been found to be formed of two differing values, the speed of light c and Planck's constant of energy h. These two values are forever the same, unalterable constant, but are thought of as being separate one from another. No matter how these values are considered by mankind, what is most important to us at this moment is that they exist as extremely small, indestructible values. It is because of the indestructibleness of physical time that universal entropy exists. Time is forever linear. Its average moves in a straight line, even when curved within the confines of our universe due to the presence of mass. Time is not added to our universe nor taken away. Thus our universe continually unwinds toward the basis of its physical existence. It is this point of consideration that I would like to address, the smallness or the physical brevity of time. Physical time has a particular value that is never ending. Time cannot be destroyed or altered in any manner by mankind. Black holes as wormholes are physical impossibilities, as is that of time travel, either forward or backward. Apparent time is able to be altered in macro regions in relation to a mass change, yet time remains unaltered. Mass may be converted into electromagnetic energy, as in an atomic explosion, or matter may form into energy and then into gravitational waves according to the equation C2 equals E divided by M, thus becoming C equals H. Still, physical time remains unaltered. It is this reality that is so amazing, because not only is time not able to be destroyed, but the actual duration of its existence is so slight, mankind cannot directly relate mentally with its physical construction. The total sum of mankind's thinking is that contained within the past. Never has mankind mentally, directly related with present time in any manner. The reason for this is, within the instant of reality perception, present time has already moved on into becoming that of the past, both within ourselves as also the world about us. What we consider as being present time is always that of the past, no matter how quickly we examine that which we call the present. The end of part 1.